So welcome back guys, my name is Amlan and in today's Make Knowledge Free campaign we go about looking at how we can use the Samsung for Life thing. So basically this is a smart upgrade feature wherein you may have decided that you will be upgrading to a Samsung phone, and what happens is if you select this option like Samsung for Life, and at the end of 10 to 12 months Amazon is willing to buy back this device and pay you 40%. So basically you end up paying quite less for the device for the 10 months that you may have used it, and if you have selected a no cost EMI, it would effectively work out to be just a fraction of the cost of the device. So like for the devices that do offer this plan, because it's not available on all such like phones, so only a few Samsung phones, and again it's not available on other devices. All other companies like Oppo and all other things may have its own like plans. So here, like if it's a Samsung phone and if it's being sold under this Samsung for Life, then you will see this mobile protection plan reflecting, and here you will see the Samsung for Life reflecting. Now you can then go ahead and add it. So you are basically paying a 99 rupees and you are adding this option Samsung for Life, so that later on when you want to sell or want to give it back to Amazon, since you have opted this guaranteed exchange, so they will guarantee the exchange at 40% of its cost, provided you are buying at that point of time a new Samsung device. And if it's a non-Samsung, say it's a Apple iPhone or something else, then you end up paying then they end up paying you 35% of this device cost. So if it's 100 rupees this device, then like that, the one that I'm buying, then like I will get 40 rupees back if I say upgrade to a Samsung newer set, and if it's a non-Samsung set I would get 35 rupees back. So once you have added this guaranteed exchange, you can click on buy now, and then you can go ahead and click on the no cost EMI, I mean once selecting the delivery and other things, and that's practically it. Like you select the payment options, so I would actually select this no cost EMI and then proceed and click on continue. So anyways, I just wanted to show you the steps. So this is what you need to do, and this is what the mobile protection plan under guaranteed exchange titled Samsung for Life offers. So like I said, this is different for different manufacturers. So Samsung is offering this for a few of its handsets, which includes Samsung M51 and I believe F20, which is the newest set. But like it's not available for everything out there, and if you think that you would want to stick to a Samsung, and like at the end of 10 months, like 10 to 12 months, that's when you have to go ahead and exchange this. So like provided there are no body scratches, there is no damage, there is no screen, nothing, at that point of time you would be getting a guaranteed exchange value of 40% of the cost, which I think is pretty decent enough. So go ahead and let me know your views, whether do you think it's good enough, because I believe Flipkart has come out with something very similar. We'll be making a tutorial on that. I believe this all is good things for the retailers and individuals like us, because we would be obviously wanting to upgrade, and if we know that if we are buying phones which we later upgrade, we would be getting a part of its cost back, then it gives us more confidence. Because if suppose Samsung comes out with M61 and I know I'm buying a M51, and at the end of like 10 months when the M61 releases, I'd be getting 40% of the cost back of the M51, I may really want to go ahead and do that upgrade. So what are your views on this? Do let us know in the comment section. Do let us know if you have actually bought using this plan, and what do you think how the plan actually worked. So we'll catch up in the next tutorial. If possible, do subscribe and share this with your friends. Thank you.